Hello friends, this is Akash from channel TUTX. Today I am going to show you how to reverse engineer an application for Android. Uh, you can see that any application can be opened with the simple WinRAR, but you cannot view its XML files. So let me show you how it is done. In my case, I will be taking the test application and just hanging there. So you can see the application has opened with raw, and let me go and pull out some XMLs. Okay, I have pulled out the calibrate mic application XML file, and I will try to open it, and it will show some encrypted data, encrypted uh, codes in there, but we cannot modify that. So in order to modify these files and view these files to get the source code and view the Java files as well, you need to use the tools which is called as APK multi-tool. So what I do, I will rename this app, leave it here. So what I had here, you need to download the APK tools stable release. You just need to Google APK multi-tool stable release. Go and find the GitHub page and click on download there. So the download will start here. Extract that, close it, and open the setup batch file. Here you will find the three options. Check for update is surely for the checking update of multi-tool, and installing framework comes in the modification of the system application, like your Android device system applications, and setup directories. It will set up the directories for us in order to place our file. So I will press 3 here. So as you can see, the creating folder projects and place OGG here folder. So it has created the folder for us. I will press enter to close and 00 to close it again. After that, I will open the script. So in order to modify your application, you will have to place your application inside the folder, which is place apk here for modding. As I can see, I have already copied my app.apk folder here. I don't need to paste it again. So, and the application I have placed is not any system application, so I do not need any framework res or any other supplement framework application to decompile that app. So as you can see, it is not the system application, so I will go with the simpler option, which is only decompile apk. So I will press 9 here. Wait for it to complete the fully decompilation. This tool is very friendly, and make sure you are using the stable release, because other releases gives the problem in compiling and decompiling. So app.apk has finished decompiling. Would you like to open the project's app apk folder to begin editing? Yes, sure. So as you can see, the directory application apk multi-tool stable release full projects and my app name. Inside that I can see my code. Here I will open my manifest and I can see all the code is here. I can modify it any time and recompile it to install. You can add your activities here and make your own activities, hack your application, make it free if it is paid. So here the app name, JString app. I will close this XML and go further in. Let me see the layout folder. As previously I tried to open the calibrate mic XML file and it wasn't showing all the code. So let us see. Here it is. All the code is ready to be edited. So Now it is trying to recompile the app. So what will we do? We simply open our big multi-tool again, and we will try to recompile it. As you can see, our application wasn't the system APK, so we'll try to compile it with the option number 12, which is compile non-system APK files. So I will press enter here. You will be prompted to delete the files within the key folder. Oh, here it is. So as you can see, create an unsigned APK using key folder. We will use the option number 4, create an APK using original signature and keep the folder and using the key folder option. Okay, I will press 4. Okay, so what we'll have to do here is to open your main folder APK multi-tool server release and go in key folder. So here's the thing, if you have modified any XML file, you need to delete the resource ARSC, and if you have modified any smiley file which belongs to the Java file, of course I will delete my classes dex. And of course, if you have modified any XML file, you will have to delete the resources.arsc file as well as the XML file which you have modified. So if in my case I have modified and entered my face, I have deleted it. And if you have edited any smiley file, you will have to delete it as well. After that, you just have to press any key to recompile it. So as you can see, our APK has been successfully compiled, and I will press enter. You can find your application in place APK here for signing. Yeah, here. Place APK here for module. Yeah, it is original sign key app. So it is my application. You can always place it in your mobile and install. You can find your all the modification that you have made. That's all, folks. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a suggestion whichever basic tutorial you want. I will try to make them. In next tutorial, I will try to figure how to recompile, how to decompile and recompile the system applications, and how to install framework as well. That's all. See you in next tutorial.